Good morning everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing week. Currently it is Thursday and let's get straight into the charts. Starting off with Bitcoin and this very important level, we have actually confirmed a daily candle close above this level. So now the question is, can Bitcoin flip above the 200 daily EMA and potentially continue pushing higher to this level right here, the value area low of this range, which is gonna be around 6%. That's gonna take us to $86,000. And I do believe that 86 to around 87k is going to be the top. Maybe if we break the POC, we could go all the way up to 92k, but as of right now, I believe 90k could be out of the question. But as soon as we go to this level and price does not show any weakness and basically pumps all the way through here, then 92k could be a possibility. But I believe once we get to around this level right here, price could start showing some weakness here and we could very well reverse. Now for the more bearish scenario, we are currently above this level, but the more bearish scenario is that we get another rejection of this high right here at the 200 daily EMA, and then price starts dropping back down. Then this could mean that basically this is the top of this move. If we measure it from the bottom to the top right here, 38% correction could be the top very well in. If you look at Ethereum, for example, you can see we are still far away from the 200 daily EMA and the levels that we have above. We are also far away from this level right here, which is basically where the bottom, where Bitcoin is at $80,000. Bitcoin is currently at this level, and as you can see, it is currently very far away from this date right here, where it was at around 2,600. We are basically 12% away from this move. Solana is also very far away from this move. You can see basically Solana is like 37%. I believe it is quite the bigger hit. So this was on November 2025. Let's see, November 2025 exactly. Solana was at $122 there, but it is looking like it's trying to break out. That's what I wanted to talk about this video. Solana for the past 3 days has been up only. You can see it is up around 8%. And if we could get above the range high right here, confirm that breakout, then I believe Solana could get that very nice move, like 20% to the upside. It could happen since it has been lagging behind a lot. While it had its move, while Bitcoin is having its move, Hype having its move, most of the other coins having their move, Solana is lagging pretty much behind. So it could very well go up to this level. But as I said, the more bearish scenario is that Bitcoin rejects from this 200 daily EMA. After testing it, you can see this level has not been tested since the bull market right here back in October 2025. It was tested as support multiple times, then it failed to get tested in November 11 2025, and ever since then it has been, if we measure from here, 176 days until this daily EMA has been tested. So we got it tested right now, and this is the make it or break it zone for Bitcoin basically. It also depends what the dollar does. If the dollar starts breaking below this support right here and goes for the lows once again, then I do believe Bitcoin could have its time. But if the dollar holds this level, then I believe that this could have been the top for Bitcoin. If you look at the USDT dominance chart, we still got a level to be tested right here. So another move down could be considered a possibility. This is the high from right here that we have marked. Basically, you can see it on the weekly time frame. We could very well get another move down, and this move down will take Bitcoin where we want it to go. and this is where I expect for us to get some support on the USD dominance and then get that continuation. And this is when I believe Bitcoin will be reversing to the downside, since once the USD dominance goes for this high right here that we made, then I do believe that Bitcoin will be reversing. We could also go for this high right here from back in 2022. It is possible. Stock market still sitting very, very strong. Nothing new here basically. The S&P and the Nasdaq are currently in price discovery and they are putting in new highs every day. Back to Bitcoin, you can see open interest kind of dying out on this move, volume getting low, still pretty decent, but it is low, and CVD is remaining to the upside, which is what is keeping me bullish. Liquidation heat map, we do have a lot of liquidity piling to the downside, as you can see right here, but still most of the major liquidity, it is sitting to the upside. Fear and Greed index still sitting at 51, nothing new here. Spot ETFs, we actually got a nice green day yesterday as well, but only 46 million overall, with BlackRock buying 134 and the other institutions selling off. Long versus shorts ratio, you can see for the day we got more buyers in the market, quite a lot actually. On the hyper liquidities, like 60% of the people are long, so this could very well mean a bit of a reversal before we actually continue higher. And we do actually got some news today. Unemployments and tomorrow are gonna be the most important news for the week. This is what I believe could move the markets for the coming next days. And I do believe that this would cover it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.